Hi guys, today we're drawing Phineas and Ferb. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. We're starting with Ferb today, and we're drawing literally Phineas and Ferb. Our last Phineas and Ferb drawing tutorial, we drew Perry the Platypus. I never drew Phineas and Ferb before. Ferb looks kind of hard, but Phineas, he looks easy, pretty easy. Oh, check out Engine Faces Films. He just did 5 hockey games. There were a lot of bugs. They're just for fun. You're not going to see them in the NHL. They just do it for fun. You should check out those 5 videos. Oh, subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Oh, and check out Sebastian YP's Hunting Animals Part 3. They gave me a shout out because we made the Stuffy team versus the Pokemon team, and we also made Minecraft Blowing Up Villages Part 1. That was super fun. Comment below who's your favorite Phineas and Ferb guy. Mine is Phineas, Ferb, and Perry. Perry is awesome! We're done Ferb. This is our Ferb. Now let's draw Phineas. Comment below which other Phineas and Ferb guys you want me to draw. If you know who Phineas and Ferb is. Oh, you can watch Phineas and Ferb on Disney XD. I don't know if you still can watch it. But you also can watch it on Disney Channel. Oh, yeah, and Disney Plus. I watched it on Disney Plus. And there's also some clips of it on YouTube. But not for full episodes, just some clips on the Disney XD's YouTube channel. You actually have 2. You're on one of them, or both. You should watch also Phineas and Ferb, the movie is kind of weird. I'm in the middle of it, but I watched it before, but I'm watching it again. But it was kind of weird. When Phineas and Ferb, I shouldn't tell you, but when Phineas and Ferb found out about something, it was acting super weird. Everything became weird. It was the weird time after that. There was so much mad stuff. Especially Heinz Doofenshmirtz. He was hilarious in that movie. Especially in the cartoon and the movie. Whenever he sees a normal platypus, he says, "It's just a normal platypus. Put a hat on him. It's Perry the Platypus!" That's hilarious. Oh, I just dropped my peach. I'm going to get it. Oh, yeah. Fob is Phineas's stepbrother. This is Phineas, and this is Fob. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. I don't really like Phineas's head. It looks weird when I draw it. So it's Fob. Fob looks more like his better, but still.